Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to learn step by step how you can use your Echo Dot as a speaker with your MacBook, PC or smartphone or any other device. We know if you have this device, you know already what is this one. This one is a smart speaker. If you have a smart switches or smart lighting at your house, you can ask Alexa to turn on and off. But in this video, I'm going to use this device as a speaker plus as a smart device in my office. I show you what I have right now. I have this big soundbar system. It's taking too much space. Then I never have that volume high. I need a little bit of volume and I will use this device. Now I will take that one off from my table. So now let's start. First, simplest way, this device have a audio jack. You can connect one end this side, other end to your PC, MacBook or smartphone, and you can use as a speaker, like a wired speaker. That's all simple. You don't have to do nothing. But if you want to use as a Bluetooth, then we have to pair with our device. You can pair as many devices you want. You can use one at a time. I didn't tell about it. This one is Echo Dot 3rd generation because it doesn't matter. It will be Echo Dot 2nd edition, 3rd edition, whatever, all will work same. So now we have to use our, now we have to go to our this device app and we have to click on a device. You have to choose the device you want to connect as a speaker. This one is in my office. I'm going to choose this one, office. Then I'm going to click on device name. I have here Baljit 2nd Echo Dot. Click here. If you go through here, there's a lot of options you can do. I'm going to click Bluetooth device. So I have to click on Bluetooth device. It says pair a new device. Pair a new device. Before you click, you need to make sure your MacBook, laptop, a Windows PC or whatever, they have a Bluetooth on. And I'm going to open here Bluetooth preference and I will click on pair a new device. As soon as I click on pair a new device, you're gonna see it will appear here. Now we are simply going to click connect.
Connected to Baljit's MacBook 16. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
So now we have connected this device to our MacBook. Let's try put some kind of music, see if it's gonna work. As you can see, we have a music on this device. You can choose another one. You can test. So now I'm using this device as a speaker. I don't need that one. I can get rid of that one. I have a volume just a half right now. So far, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.